Hey, welcome everybody to DIY Solar Homestead. Hello, awesome people. So I haven't been around for like 2.5 months of shooting videos because I'm afraid I'm going to get cut. I have a lot of things that I want to talk about and it's against the narrative. I want to talk to you about antiviral herbs. I will stress it again. Antiviral herbs. Okay? I don't get sick. I can't get sick. You'll never see me get sick. I can get symptoms, but I can flush it. I can flush it out of my body in 24 hours. People's Pharmacy. See that? Written by 2 PhDs. Antiviral doctors. Isn't that beautiful? I got a lot of concepts from one of the top of the line viral doctors, virologist, Dr. John Campbell. He is in the UK. And that was a year ago, and I got a video cut last year because they don't want me to teach you this. So anyway, I'm going to be growing all 15 antiviral herbs this year, most likely. I grew like 6 or 7 last year. I did order during the winter nearly a dozen herbal teas. I think 2 of them are antiviral. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of different teas. I don't make tea, I just throw a pinch or 2 in with the coffee, pour coffee grounds over. That's how I have my coffee in the morning with these herbs. So I'm getting some herbal benefits out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna expand the garden this year. I just found out your garden's gonna grow more nutritious everything if you have fruit trees. So that's gonna be coming in. I'm probably gonna spend $1,000 on fruit trees this year. And we just gotta keep working, get our awesome on. So yeah, I wanna grow all kinds of stuff. When I do find a place at my low price, I wanna find a home in the country, then I can take cuttings from all the fruit trees and take that with me wherever I move to. So yeah, just wanted to get this out. I'm gonna go learn today on tapping trees, sugar maples for some syrup. I've never done it, so I'm gonna get some knowledge on and learn how all that grows, how all that goes. And then I'm gonna come home and order my own on eBay. And so I have my own tree tapping items on my own. I gotta learn it, I gotta know it, I gotta order it. And then I'll take you along. It's a 3-hour drive, so I don't know when I'm gonna get that video out. It'll probably be Wednesday or so. I'm still working 10 hours. I had my vacation day in early. They got stuck with Saturday. They got stuck with Sunday. They got to get out of the city. So, yeah, I got a lot of new content coming in soon. So find it out. If you eat all your vegetables out of your own place, you're not going to get sick. If you plant your own herbs, you're not going to get sick. You get sick from store-bought food. How's that? Huh? Created by 2 PhDs. Never, ever, ever, ever get sick. A lot of my tips and tricks for these books, I think one of these is coming from Bullfrog 79. I want you to send you over to gardening. What was that? Oh look, deer pellets. I'm gonna put those in the compost. How about? I lost it. But anyway, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna tell you. Oh, Farmer G. Go see Farmer G. He's probably put in 1,100 seeds already. He's gonna get his gardening on and his greenhouse going really, really, really good this year. And I wish him the best of luck because his greenhouse, the local greenhouse, went down this year. So I'm hoping he's the new greenhouse area of his county anyway. That'll be really, really sweet. He's doing everything he can, and he's learning as he goes. And that's the most important way of shaking. I'm not shaking, the camera is. Anyway, you have a beautiful, nice sunshiny day. Oh, sunshiny day.